Hi there, welcome to 𝗂𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗏𝑐𝑜𝑚 affiliate video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to register and work with your affiliate account with 𝗂𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗏𝑐𝑜𝑚. In the first steps, you have to register an account. For that, go to the affiliate login page, which you can find it in the footer of 𝗂𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗏𝑐𝑜𝑚 homepage. Then click on the Register tab and fill out the form below and check the terms and conditions and click on Submit. After Submit, your account will be created and you will go directly to main account. But as this account is new, so there is no data and it's empty of campaigns. Let me sign in with another active account to show you more details. Your affiliate account dashboard will look like this. You can see your balance, your actions, and your clicks. Here is an overview of your earnings, and also you have a chart about overall work. When you scroll down, you can see your campaigns which will point to you by admin. Also on the right side, you can see your account details like wallet statics and other particulars. In the campaign menu, you can see all your campaigns and attributes like commissions, categories, and more. If you click on this plus button here, you can see the sale count and sale amount that you will get from that campaign. We have two types of campaigns: coupon code and URL links. In the coupon code campaigns, you will get a unique coupon code which you can share with other friends and customers. Anyone who uses that coupon to place an order on the website will get a discount and you will receive the associated commission. On the other hand, in URL campaigns, you can share a URL like this with your friends or your customers. Anyone who clicks on it will be redirected to the website, and the system will automatically add that customer under your name, where if they make any purchase, the system will recognize that this client was coming from your link and will add the commission to your account. As you see the link is too long, there is an option to customize path names as you wish. Like here, we change it to test 1. You can discuss with the admin which type of campaign to use. In the wallet menu, you can see all details of your financial status. Here is your wallet balance, here paid balance, and your actions and clicks. Also, this table shows you all transactions done by using your coupon code or URL. This column shows the full amount of transaction and this column shows your commission. Here, if you click on this icon, you can see the transaction details, and if you click on this button, you can see the IP address of the client. Paid option here in the payment column shows if you have been paid for your commission, and the end here we have status. We have 3 status types. First is on hold, which means the transaction is waiting to be verified by the admin. The second one is invalid status, means the transaction has been verified by admin and the amount is in your wallet. And the third one is the paid status, means you have been paid by the company. Another thing about the wallet menu is the withdrawal button. By clicking this option, you will request to transfer the balance of your wallet to your bank account, PayPal, or any other option available depending on your country. So now I head back to the test account. You can see we generated a coupon code for this affiliate account. So now I want to buy an 𝗂𝗵𝗀𝗏 subscription with this coupon code to see what will happen here. So I go to 𝗂𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗏𝗏𝗏 and I'm gonna choose a service like logo design and I click get start now. I'm gonna choose this plan. I fill this form below. I'm gonna add some additional services here and you can see I have to pay $304. Now I want to use my coupon code, so it was C10Y12 here. and I click on apply here, and you can see my coupon code has been successfully applied and we get 10% discount, and we have to just pay $273.6. So I click on process to check. So now you can see my order has been successfully placed, and this is my order ID and this is my UPWAW dashboard. So let's go back to the affiliate account and see what's happened here. So I get back here and I click on wallet. So now you can see my transaction has been successfully added to my wallet, and you can see this is in on hold status, and I have to wait for the admin to verify this. So now you can see admin verified my transaction, and you can see the commission is in my wallet right now. So I click on withdrawal all, and you can see I can add my PayPal address or bank transfer account and so on. And the final thing is activities drop down. In this drop down there are a few options. First is the withdrawal report. On this page you can see your withdrawal list and status. On the order page you can see all the orders that have been made with your introduction. And with the contact admin page you can send your requests or feedbacks to the admin. I hope this video was helpful for you. Have a great time. Goodbye.